Hey, what's going on, Magic Fam? Your boy Fire-Wolf here with another pack of this collector booster. This set is amazing, by the way. I'll go with this pack today. The reason I say that is because I really love the art behind it, and it being Jim Henson inspired, which then, growing up, watching the Muppets and the Muppets Christmas and Scrooge and all that stuff, just it brings back a lot of great memories. But I hope you guys are enjoying this collector booster series. So we will be opening quite a bit of this stuff. I do have a play booster and a bundle over here, and I might pick up another booster box, collector booster box. So let's get into it. All right. Stoic Grove Guide, Wild Unraveling, Silver Guild Peddler, Cinder Strike, Wild Vine Plumberer, Wealth Charge, a Bogart Curse Crafter, Borderless, a Wander Wine Farewell, a Tomb Skimmer, and here we go. We have an island with little merfolk. First rare is Collective Inferno. Second rare is going to be Sinister Garl Bark, sorry. Third rare is going to be the Snuzzleback Scorcher. I said that wrong. We have Deep Way Navigator. And our last rare is going to be Deep Way Navigator. Interesting. One's foil, one's not. And we have the token. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Fire-Wolf out.